So here you can basically keep a pulse of your website's accessibility with quick status checks and easy monitoring. You can schedule a new scan by giving it a name, selecting the version that you want to target, and by specifying a frequency. So you can run a scan one time, or you can schedule it basis a given frequency, either run it daily or once every week at a specified time as required. You can also provide a list of pages by manually adding them over here, or you can also upload a CSV file that contains a list of URLs that you want to test, and then you can create the website scan. Uh, After you have scheduled a website scan, it would be visible over here. And then I'll just go ahead and open a particular scan that had been scheduled previously. So here, as you can see, there is a trend graph of all of the scans that have happened, and it shows you, the list of issues and the count of issues that have happened for that particular website scan. So you can take a look at the trend graph for the last 4 runs, last 8 runs, and you can also see a breakdown basis the severity during each particular run that there was. Additionally, you can take a look at the pages that were added and the scan stability, which will tell you how many pages were successfully able to get scanned and how many failures or redirects were there. You can also go to the scan runs to see the individual scan runs that have happened for that particular website scan. I'll go ahead and select one particular scan run, which will open the report for that particular scan run on the dashboard. Again, the view of this would be similar to what you saw for the workflow scanner and assisted test. You'll get all the elements that were there as part of workflow scanner and assisted test. Additionally, you do have the scan logs that would give you a list of, the logs for all the pages that have been scanned. If there are any failures that you've encountered while you have been running a scan, it would also be displayed here. And if they were successful, they would also be displayed here with the count of issues that were found in that page.